Alright, this is Lazaro with Ocean Drive Cigars, and today we're going to be unboxing the Wolf 2.7 watch winder from Wolf Designs. This is just some of the books that come with it right here, and here's the box. We're going to be taking it off completely. So you can see it comes with the sleeve on it, and there is the box. Perfect. And let me just pull it out so you can look. So all the Wolf winders come with all your plugs and accessories for all your different power outlets from different countries and whatnot. Nice little handy bag. And there is the bag that they all come with. Let's take a look. Now, this is a 2.7 with the storage compartment on top. Comes with the key, like you can see right there. Little books, different storage compartments for your different watches. And we'll pan out a little bit. Let's pan out a little bit so we can see what comes inside the actual box. Alright, and there you go. That's the winder itself. And it opens up completely. And this is your drum. Comes out. It kind of crushes for your different watches. And let me just show you how you put a watch on there. So you got your nice automatic watches. Put it right on, and it clicks in. Ready to go. Kind of like that. Cover, keep it safe. You got a nice collection of watches. This is a nice addition. Again, this is the 2.7 with cover and storage. You can check it out at our website, Ocean Drive Cigars, and take a look. Nice winder. A lot of cool stuff. Again, Ocean Drive Cigars. Check it out and take a look at the back. Also, forgot. Portable. You can use batteries with this one. Little power outlet there. And again, take a look. Very nice winder. Got some nice watches. Very nice one to use.